So, Latika, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. I'm Latika. I'm the digital content manager with India Hikes, which is the largest and the safest trekking company in India.
Okay,
and hi, Shruti.
Hey, okay. So great to have you here today. Raghav, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, Latika and Shruti. My name is Raghav. I'm one of the co-founders of QShala, a curiosity learning platform to really foster curiosity and life skills in children. And by the way, I'm also been a trekker with India Hikes, so very kicked to be part of
awesome.
This quiz.
Yeah.
Okay, super. So today we're gonna I'm just gonna play a couple of fun games and let's see how QShala and India Hikes come together. So your first question is, 2 words that come to your mind when I say the word trek. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, done. So, can you guys hold up your answers for me?
Okay. Can you read this?
So, I can see Latika is mountain and blue skies. Raghav is scene and I don't think I can see the first one.
Peace.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so Latika, do you want to explain why you thought of these two random?
Yeah, so actually we've just got over with autumn, and in this season, if I've been seeing the trek photos which are coming from the mountains, and it's all like the crisp, clear views of these mountains like Nanda Devi, Trishul, and they're like blue skies, and oh my god, it's what I've been seeing on treks right now. That's why these were the first two things that came.
That sounds so nice to hear when you've been sitting in the house for 8 months and you hear blue skies and treks. Like now I just want
Exactly.
Okay. This mountain gets its name from the Tibetan word for 5 treasures of snow. It represents 5 distinct peaks of the entire range. Which mountain is this? Raghav is already like buzzed. Okay, Raghav, go ahead.
Is this the Kanchenjunga?
Yes, absolutely right. So, do you want to tell us a little bit about your favorite trek? Because I know that you enjoy trekking, and so which is one place that you really enjoyed?
Latika, you want to go first?
No, I want to hear which trek have you been on with us.
So, I've done 3 treks with India Hikes. My first trek was Roopkund, and thoroughly enjoyed it. In fact, it's also one of the I find trekking a very meditative experience. It's with all that exhaustion, you see the mountains and the beauty, and just the peace that it exudes when you achieve or go to the summit is very. And also with a group of people that you're with for such a long time, you build a bonding, and there's so much more to it. But somewhere, Roopkund on the but Roopkund also is that. But Roopkund somewhere, I don't know, because it was my first trek, and I struggled so much through it. Like I've been puked over 18 times through the trek.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Thank you.
Awesome, guys. So now, actually, this inspired me for my next question that I'm gonna ask you. Is so this you just have to write it down. So for a beginner like me, after listening to all of you talking about these really difficult treks and things, what are 3 essentials that you need before going on a trek? So if Raghav is going to say paper bag, I completely believe you. I believe you.
Okay.
So 3 essentials that you need.
You want me to write it down?
Yeah, it's good. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, can I see your answers? Trek shoes, water, and layers. Okay, and Raghav has said fitness. Okay, that's important. Trek bag and shoes. So I can see some similarities there.
Yeah.
Just have one bonus question. So think hard. and this is again a buzzer one. So this is a phrase that people use to tell someone to stop bothering them or to go away. So this is a fun phrase that people use, and it's something related to trekking.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I was like, how to say bug off?
Related to trekking.
Related to trekking. Saying it, I think.
Oh, go take a hike.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
So that's
finally.
the phrase.
Yeah.
So yeah, the answer is go take a hike, and I think a lot of people use that when. But I think that's pretty encouraging for me. If someone says it, I'd be like, totally, like I'm up.
Yeah, I'm game. Yeah.
Same here.
Yeah. So that's the end of my questions for all of you. Thanks for being such good sports for this. And
Hey, thank you for being such a good host for this. Like, I totally enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thank you, Shruti. Same here.
Yeah,
whoever is
thank you.
watching this video and to whoever thought that they knew all the answers to this question, and if you like these questions, you absolutely love the ones that we have planned for you this Sunday.
How to have you all be part of it as a family, really enjoy some stories and interesting questions. We might not be able to go to the mountains right away, but can we relive these beautiful mountains and the scenic beauty that these mountains provide us with some interesting questions and stories and a fun family quiz. Be part of the India Hikes Q Shala family quiz this Sunday, 20th December. Thank you all.